In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Evernote Web Clipper on Chrome step by step and then get it ready for use in just a few minutes. This is a great tool if you want to save articles, bookmark pages, capture screenshots, or quickly clip information from the web straight into Evernote. If you've been looking for a simple way to organize research and save content while browsing, this tutorial is for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the official Evernote Web Clipper page in the Chrome Web Store. It's important to use the official store listing so you know you're installing the correct extension and keeping your browser safe. After the page loads, look on the right side and find the blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will now show a small confirmation pop-up asking if you want to add the extension. This is a normal security step, so just review it and then click Add Extension. Once you confirm, Chrome will start downloading and installing Evernote Web Clipper automatically. Give it a few seconds to finish. When the installation is complete, you should see the Evernote elephant icon appear in your browser toolbar. Now that the extension is installed, the next step is to get it set up. Click the elephant icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the Evernote Web Clipper panel. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to log in with your Evernote account details. Enter your email and password, then sign in so the extension can connect to your account. After signing in, you can start choosing how you want to clip content from the web. Evernote Web Clipper gives you a few different options depending on what you need. For example, you can save a full article if you want the entire page content. You can save a simplified bookmark if you only want the link and title. Or you can take a screenshot clip if you need a visual capture of part of the page. This flexibility is what makes the extension so useful for students, researchers, professionals, and anyone collecting information online. Next, choose the notebook where you want your clip to be saved. This helps keep your notes organized inside Evernote, especially if you're clipping different topics for work, school, or personal projects. Once you've selected the clip format and the notebook, review the settings one more time. When everything looks good, click Save Clip. After that, Evernote will save the selected content into your account and you're done. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to clip something from the web. It only takes a few clicks, and once you get used to it, it becomes a fast and reliable part of your workflow. So to recap, open Chrome, visit the official Evernote Web Clipper listing, click Add to Chrome, confirm with Add Extension, sign in to Evernote, choose your clip type, select your notebook, and click Save Clip. That's all it takes to install and start using Evernote Web Clipper on Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.